up by a set. Oh yes, Satorsky. Somehow.
Call you mine, think about you every time. I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah.
Back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why,
3, 2, 1.
Good morning, Dr. Pasha. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, fine. Morning.
Morning, Ms. Tasha. Can we start our course now?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's get it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let us begin by offering our prayers and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has bestowed upon us guidance, health, and mercy, allowing us to attend and participate in study session of the international short course without any obstacle. Secondly, it is fitting to offer salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad, who has bring us from the darkness into the better light. Before we get started, I'd like to thank our wonderful speaker, Dr. Tasha Safiranita from Faculty of Law, Universitas Padjadjaran, Indonesia, and all of our participants for their enthusiasm in joining our course. Before going further, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Kansa Adela Wiba, and I will be moderating the session. In this session, we will discuss about the rise of artificial intelligence fraud in the digital age. The presentation will last 45 to 60 minutes, followed by a question and answer session. Now, I will read quickly a short bio of our speaker. Dr. Tasha Safiranita, she is currently served as the head of the Cyber Law and Digital Transformation Study Center and holds a position as a lecturer at the Department of Information Communication Technology and Intellectual Property within the Faculty of Law at Universitas Padjadjaran. With experience as both a lecturer and researcher in ICT and IT, she pursued higher education, achieving the title of cum laude at all academic levels. In the course of her research, she has authored numerous newspaper articles, books, national journal, and reputable international journal on information, communication technology, and intellectual property. Her focus area is e-commerce law, telecommunication law, digital media, cyber law, and intellectual property or artificial intelligence. She has also presented as a speaker at various national and international seminars. Additionally, she also served as a reviewer for Scopus reputable international journal in the Q2 and Q3 category. That is the profile of our speaker. Now to our wonderful speaker, Dr. Tasha Safiranita. Time and screen is yours.
Okay, thank you, Miss Hansa. Good morning, everyone. Have a good day. My name is Tasya. As a head of Cyber Law and Digital Transformation Center, I want to present about the rise of artificial intelligence fraud in the digital age. Okay, please next slide. Can you move to the next slide? Yeah, thank you. Artificial intelligence is a term coined by emeritus Stanford professor, was defined as the science and engineering of making intelligent. The definition signifies a humanity efforts to create the machine can think and act like a human, or even suppress human abilities to in some aspect. The key of AI development is from today, we emphasize machine that can learn at least somewhat like human beings do. Can you move to the next slide? AI classification, we can change about from the intellectual property and the cyber law. AI technology based on function, narrow AI that can be designed to perform as a specific set of tasks. General AI capable of performing various intellectual tasks typically done by humans. Or sometimes we can use like a ChatGPT. It's more than like a process from AI. AI technology based on application, natural language processing, AI that can understand and interpret human language, computer vision, AI that can translate visual inputs such as image and videos, robotics, I think it can mix from the pattern from intellectual property to that AI can control the interact with physical machines and robots. Expert systems that AI can mimic human expertise in a specific field such as finance or medicine. And two in main incorporation in Indonesia use the AI from the medicine corporation and the finance. Okay, next slide. The legal protection of AI based of intellectual property and cybersecurity. From the intellectual property protection, AI system, algorithms, software, and innovation can be protected under various forms of intellectual property. For the first, like patents, can protect novel, non-obvious AI inventions such as algorithms, methods, or hardware configuration. Copyright can protect original AI software, code data sets, and other creative works. Trademarks can protect AI-related brand names, logos, and symbols associated with products or services. And the last, from trade secret, can protect confidential AI algorithms, data sets, or other proprietary information not previously disclosed. Ms. Hansa, can you hear another sound from here? Maybe somebody forget to mute the Zoom. Okay, the cybersecurity regulation, legal frameworks related to cybersecurity play a crucial role in protecting AI system from cyber threats and attacks. This regulation may include, for the first, data protection laws. It can mix a regulation such as GDPR in the EU, the California Consumer like CCPA in the US government, the collection, storage, and processing of personal data by AI system. Cybersecurity standards, I take from the standard and guidelines established by organization like NIST provide the best practice for securing AI against the cyber threats. And the last, cybercrime laws addressing cybercrimes such as unauthorized access, data breach, or sabotage, lack of AI system aim to deter the prosecute masses and actors. Okay, please go to the next slide. The opportunities and challenge of AI. What is and then what we must to do of this one? And then the automation and efficiency, innovation and creativity, personalization and customize, improve decision making, in chain safety and security, healthcare and investment. However, from the challenge of AI, ethical concern, based on fairness, data privacy and security, job displacement and economic disruption, regulatory and challenge like a human AI collaboration. And then next. And then what is AI and cyberbullying? I want to see about from the AI power tools have made it easier for social media trolls or identify like a targets and create confining for fake content. The fake technology is one of examples of how AI powered tools are being in use cyberbullying. With a deepfake technology, trolls and create fake videos or images that are difficult to detect, making it easier to spread false information or damage someone's reputation. Chatbots are also being used to flood the social media platforms with abusive message. Next. And then what is the meaning of can we found the AI in the use of a music concert? Maybe in the digital era, the metaverse entertainment from South Korea has developed the concept of AI in the entertainment world by creating a girl band named Maeve. Like consists of the Siu, Zena, Tyre, and Marty, this girl band just made their debut from January 2023 with their first single titled Pandora. The name Maeve itself derived from the make a new wave, meaning that girls band will bring a new wave in the K-pop music industry. And then at now, so many K-pop industry use the artificial intelligence for making some or another music concert. Okay, can you move to another slide. And then, like AI in the judiciary, AI is increasingly being utilized in the judiciary in change the efficiency, accuracy, and fairness in the legal process. With the first one, I will take from the legal research. AI-powered tools can sift through the vast legal database, case law, and statutes to assist lawyers and judges. And then a natural language processing, saving time and improving the quality of legal analysis. For the second is a case prediction. Case prediction is AI algorithms are used to predict the outcomes. And then we can see from the such legal arguments, case law, judicial precedents, there's a predictive analytics tools provide insight into the potential strength and weakness. And then helping lawyers and litigation make an informed decision about the case strategy, settlement negotiation, and resource allocation. And then you must to know, everyone, in the next era, the judgment itu can do the allocation for AI for the judiciary, and AI powered tools can sift the legal databases. And then the last, for number 3, is legal compliance and regulatory monitoring. AI technology help organizations to ensure the compliance with legal and regulatory for requirements from the monitoring change in law, regulation, and industry standard. AI-powered compliance platform analyze regulatory documents, assess potential risks, and provide recommendation and implementing for practice. Next slide. Okay. Indonesian law on AI. Indonesia has not to enacted specific laws or regulation addressing AI comprehensive. However, there are legal frameworks and initiatives in place that touch upon various aspects of AI, such as data protection, cybersecurity, intellectual property, and industry-specific regulation. Here's an overview. I'll make the overview about the Indonesian law on AI. From the first, it's like data protection first. Indonesia just passed up about the personal data protection law to regulate the processing personal data, including the data collected and processed by AI system. This law established principles for data processing, such as consent, proposed limitation, and data minimization, which are relevant to AI application. And I can take from another view is from the cybersecurity. Indonesia has a regulation related to cybersecurity, including the Electronic Information Interaction Law, or UU ITE in Indonesian name. The government regulation, cybersecurity, this law is protect against the cyber threats and ensure the security of digital system and infrastructure, including AI power platform and services. And then from the intellectual property, Indonesian intellectual property law, such as a patent law and copyright law, is provide protection for AI-related innovation, invention, and creative works. However, there may be challenges in applying traditional IP laws to AI-generated content or invention, raising question about the ownership, authorship, and liability. And then, what is the future legislation like Ius Constituendum in our? Given the rapid advancement of AI technology and their growing impact on society, it's likely that Indonesia will consider enacting specific laws or regulation addressing AI in the future. This regulation may cover such as ethical guidelines, like a development and use liability for AI system, and a government frameworks for AI deployment. Okay, can you move to another? Laws of other countries on AI. I'll take from the first from EU, like Artificial Intelligence Act is the first country to make a regulation of AI. And then the second is US, United States, have a guideline for trustworthy of AI. And the last is China, that the China has a standard plan outlines about the standard of AI technologies. This is the case example of AI cases in Indonesia. I'll take from the video President Jokowi's speech suspected to use the Mandarin language. A video circulating on the various digital platforms show to President Jokowi delivering of a speech fluently in Mandarin. Some version of the video come with a narration stating Jokowi speaks Mandarin. The Ministry of Communication and Informatics of the Republic Indonesia state the video is the misleading, edit visually, the use uploaded the U.S. Indonesian Society YouTube channel on the November 2015, but has been edited with the deepfake AI technology. Okay, thank you. That's for my presentation. Please take the screen from yours, moderator. Thank you, Ms. Hansa.
Thank you, Dr. Tasha Pianita, for your new knowledge, for giving us new knowledge. Now, let's moving on to the last session of this is question and answer session. For the participant, you can raise your hand or write your question on the room chat. Is there any participant who want to ask a question? Okay. You see someone ask the question on the room chat. Ms. Tasha, do you want me to read it for you or you want to read it for yourself?
Okay, can you read it for the question? Is there any question, right?
Yeah, there's a question. Do you want me to read it for you?
Yes, of course.
Okay. This question is from Adelia. She is wondering if the work or writing produced by through AI is valid copyright. How do we take our work from AI?
Okay, I will try to answer the question because the AI system is like from the copyright, like a copyright can protect an original like a system in sometime in software or code in datasets and other creative works. But in the cybersecurity standard, we can take from the standard and guidelines the organization like National Institute and provide best practice for security in AI. And then for the last, the cybercrime laws, we can see from the regulation about the such an authorized to access the data breach or sabotage is like from the creative works. And then how about the AI technology to function? And then we can do like a design for perform a specific set of tests from the copyright. And the last like AI is a key like emphasis like human beings do, but the copyright is the program and then can use the legal protection AI based from intellectual property and cybersecurity. Maybe that the answer for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Tasha, for the answering question. Do you mind if I also ask the question? I'm just kind of curious. Is the law in Indonesia is already enough to protect our work or writing who being copyright by AI?
Can you write the other question in the chat?
Sure. Can you read it, Miss Tasha? There also another question.
Okay, I can see laws in Indonesia is good enough. Oh, okay. Okay, from now we can use to the regulation of AI because Indonesia doesn't have a specifically about the AI regulation. So we can take from two regulation. First is from the intellectual property protection of regulation, and the second from the cybersecurity of regulation. AI Indonesia is become from the patents law, a copyright law, trademarks law, and the trade secret. And then the cybersecurity regulation. If we see from the basic of Indonesia, we can see from the data protection law, cybersecurity standards, and the cyber crimes law. And then for the next, just if you know, we will start to make an AI regulation. And then we will start from this year to make a new regulation of AI because we have so many opportunities and challenges of AI in Indonesia. Okay, that's for the answer, Miss Hansa.
Okay, thank you, Miss Tasha. There's also another question on the room chat from Sagir Abbas and Kevin Albert.
For the banking sectors, right? If we go to the frauds from the banking sectors, we must to take three regulation from for the first is like at electronic position from the legislation, and then another from the data protection laws, cybersecurity standards, and the cyber crimes law. And then we can take from the ethical concerns of fairness, data privacy and security, and then the regulatory and legal challenges, and a human AI collaboration from the banking sectors. And then another question from Kevin, yeah. What is the ideal regulation for avatar technology? What crimes and can arise avatar technology? Okay, for the avatar, maybe you can take the regulation from the copyright because avatar is a software. And then we can use from the patent and copyright law. And then what the crimes can arise with the avatar technology? Crimes can arise. Okay. This is because of the software. Maybe you can take the cyber security laws. And then next from who? This is from Tondak. Miss Hansa, can you read? Tondak Tang University.
Okay. From Muroy Do. Is that correct, your name? From Tondang Tang University.
Have a
Yeah.
question that AI in education is becoming a popular. If we rely too much on AI, it can lead to bad consequence. How can we limit that? Okay. This is like from my presentation about the opportunities and challenges. Opportunities of AI. AI has automation and efficiency, innovation and creativity for the education. But if you have a challenges for another, maybe we can use the ethical concern of fairness, and then you can use and focusing about the data privacy and security. But in another positive vibes, you can use that AI have a personalization and customization, improve decision making, and enhance safety and security. But for the challenges, AI, we must to have an regulatory and legal challenges, human AI collaboration about the human, the machine, and the robotics. Okay, next from who?
From Pam
TDTU Pam Ngok Hin too. Do you think that AI in the future, AI can create judge who can replace a human to carry out the trials? In Indonesia, just we had to make a new regulation for this one. I have research about this, and then Indonesia will make a new regulation about the judging for AI robotics? And then can we hold the AI criminally liable as an individual independent of its user and creators? If so, what legal obligation can AI have, for example, liability of the damage? Okay, we can see the AI and cyberbullying. Maybe it's just like a percent of my presentation before, because AI power have a tools have made easier for social media like targets and created convincing about the fake content. Deepfake and technology is one example of the AI like tools are being used in cyberbullying. And then will the deepfake technology trolls can create fake videos or image that difficult to detect, but the making easier spread false like information of damage to sometime and reputation. Okay, the last from Tondakta University. Who's the name? I can see your name because
The name
E
is
two two
Thai Khan.
try and type him. Okay. I want to know that is this unfair to the real idol when you don't know if the AI idol lip sync or not? Okay. For this one, this is the you like a K-pop, right? Okay. This is from the Metaverse Entertainment. Like, may consists of like they derive it and make a new wave, but the judiciary is from. We can see from the legal research first. AI powered tools can sift through a legal and legal database and summarize legal documents to identify a relevant precedent and strike key insight. And then the second is the case prediction, like a weakness of legal arguments, helping onto lawyers and litigation, the case strategy. And then the last, the legal compliance and regulatory monitoring by a change in slow regulation and industry standard AI power to analyze the regulatory about the documents and then access potential risks and provide the recommendation. Maybe that's the answer for the last question from Trantai Cam. Thank you, Miss Hansa.
Okay,
The screen is yours. Yeah.
thank you. Any question maybe, or maybe that's the last question for today's session.
While we are waiting for another, I want to tell to something to all of you. If you want to see my article about the artificial intelligence, you can see from thescopus.com. Just type my name, Tasya Safirin Taramli, and you can see all of my article about artificial intelligence, copyright, patent, and cyber law. Or maybe I will share the link to this chat room, okay?
That will be so helpful, Miss Nasha.
Just wait for a moment. I will check first for the link.
Okay. Maybe any other participant who's still curious about AI in a legal form or anything else, don't be shy. You can ask it.
While we are waiting, is there another question? I will share the link about my article, and then you can change. Okay, I just shared the link and then you can check for the article from the room chat. In your opinion, I want to, okay. Okay. In your opinion, does Indonesia need to make more specific regulation regarding AI to use song remix because it has become a commonplace to remix with AI? At now, so many like legal research and case prediction about the AI robotics from the music concerts or entertainment, but we must to see from two specific side like artificial intelligence and a cyberbullying side. Like a deepfake technology is one example of how AI powered tools and being in use is cyberbullying. So we can see the technology deepfake from the trolls and create of fake videos like I used to flood the social media platforms. Yeah. And then next from who? One more question from Kevin. What is the difference between an invention that can be patented or one protected by copyright? Okay, I will say patent can protect novel or non-obvious AI inventions such as algorithms, methods, hardware, or configuration, like included invention of technology, but the copyright can protect original software, code and dataset, and other creative works from the softwares. And then next, can we get your email address, ma'am? Okay, I will send the email address to the chat room. Okay, wait.
I already answered about the email address for Sagir Abbas. You can check it.
Okay. All the question already answers, Miss Hansa.
Yes, maybe there's other participants are still curious about AI industry, or maybe
But I'm so
anything
sorry,
else?
Miss Hansa. I just
Yeah?
only have the time to 10
Okay.
a.m. Is it okay?
Oh, yes, okay.
Because
Then how
at
about
10:15 I will go to another online meeting.
okay. Okay, then let's end this question and answer session. Thank you, Dr. Tasha Safiranita, for answering the question from the participant. Because the time is running out, we apologize in advance for the limited time available for any remaining questions, which can be discussed later, and I will end this session. And also, thank you again, Ms. Sasha, for giving us a new knowledge and answering the question from the participant. And also sorry for the participant whose name I wrong for the pronunciation. Now, Ms. Nasha, do you want to give us any word for closing of
Okay.
today's session?
Thank you, Miss Hansa. I just want to make a conclusion of AI because AI used from the music concert, like for the first in the case of from Indonesia or another country, and then we can see the opportunities about of challenges of AI, and then for the last one we can see for another legal protection of AI based of intellectual property and cybersecurity. So we must have to the next regulation and new regulation that's AI classification too. And then the artificial intelligence is make from today we emphasize the mission and then we can see like humans being do. So don't be scared with AI, but we must to go together with AI and then we can change the security and to improve the AI with a collaboration, humans, AI, and platforms digital from the digital era or digital transformative era. And then the last, the future legislation, I I think we can, given the rapid advancement of AI technologies, so their growing impact on society, it's likely that Indonesia will consider enacting specific laws or a regulation addressing AI in the future. This regulation may cover areas such an ethical guidelines for AI development and use, and then liability for AI system and a government's frameworks for AI deployment. Maybe that's for me. I hope you are enjoy with the material.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Tasha. I'm really enjoying your presentation today. And now you have a permission to leave the Zoom room right now.
Thank you, Miss Hansa, and thanks to all of you to participate. See you again. Bye-bye.
See you again, Dr. Tasha.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Okay, now let's moving on. I would like to thank to all of those who have completed this short course. I also want to remind all the participants to attend the second session of short course that will be start at 1 p.m. And don't forget to fill in the attendance list on the room chat. My name is Kansa Adila Wiba, and now I will take my leave. Wassalamualaikum